Welcome back to factorization of quadratic expression. So today we are looking at the third example. The last time we looked at two examples, but this one we are looking at the example involving negative, and the arrangement is not in the form of a quadratic. So the first thing you have to do when it is not arranged in the form of a x squared plus b x plus c, what you have to do is first rearrange this one in that form. So let's take the one with the x squared and bring it first to follow. So we have negative 21 x squared, then we'll come for the x bx value, which is also negative 4x. Then the 1 is not having negative here, so meaning positive, plus 1. So now it is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So when you have it in this form, then you start searching for the factors of the c. But now the coefficient of x squared is 21, negative 21. So we use the negative 21 to multiply the 1. So negative 21 times 1 is the same as negative 21. So we are going to find the factors, the numbers which can divide 21 without negative 21 without a remainder. So first, when we take 1 we're going to negative 21, negative 21 times. When we take 2 cannot divide because this is an odd number, so 2 nowhere. We'll go to the next number, which is 3 can divide 21, negative 7 times. So 3 7 21. Can 5 divide negative 1? No. 6 cannot divide. Let's move to the next number. 8 2 cannot go. 9 2 cannot go. 10. So these are the only factors for what? Negative 21. So now let's check. We can also have another factors which will still give us negative 21. By negating this one, making this one positive, it still give us. So negative, example, negative 1 times 21 will give us 21, negative 21. Then negative 3 times 7 will also give us. So now let's look at these two factors, or let me find the other ones for this one. We can still get it, but I want you to understand, in case you cannot find it, then you have to do this one. 1 negative 21, negative 3 and 7. So we want the value, the factors that when we add we'll get negative 4. So if you check here, this and this will not give us, but this and this, positive 3 plus negative 7 will give us negative 4. So this is our factors that we use. This is the fact. So if this place were to be positive, then this one will be the factors that we use. But since it is negative, we'll go for this one, because positive 3 plus negative 7 will give us negative 4. So we'll now multiply these factors by x. So 3x plus negative 7 times x will give us negative 7x. So you can rearrange this one as negative 7x plus 3x. The value is the same. Addition is associative. So let's now replace this one with this one. So we are replacing the negative 4x with negative 7x plus 3x. So negative 21 x squared minus 7x plus 3x plus the 1. So this is the point where we are going to group them into bracket. So we open bracket, we write negative 21 x squared minus 7x plus 3x plus 1. So now we can start with the factorization. So the common term here, we have negative negative, so we can factor negative outside. Negative can come outside. We have 7, which can divide 21 3 times, and x2 can divide. So our common factor will be negative 7x. So we'll put that negative 7x outside the bracket. Then now we'll use it to divide the first term. So negative 21x divided by 7x. So negative will cancel. And then 7 will go into 21 3 times. So 1 3 times. X will cancel one of the x here, leaving with 1x. So we are having 3x, positive 3x here. So you can take your time and do it slowly. Minus 7 divided negative 7x divided by negative 7x will give us positive 1. Well, the negatives will cancel, leaving positive 1. Plus this one, there's no common factor. The only factor is 1. So you can put the 1 outside the bracket for security reasons. Maybe you might forget that there's 1 here. So you have 3x plus 1. Then those outside the bracket, we have negative 7x plus 1. Then bracket open, we repeat 3x plus 1, one of the reoccurring brackets. So we can rewrite this expression as 1 minus 7x bracket open 3x plus 1. And since multiplication is associative, we can bring this bracket here and send this one here. The value they say. Maybe in the objective they may trick you by putting this one first, 3x plus 1, then 1 minus 7x. This one is the same as this one. The associative property of multiplication works. So it's either you leave it in this form or in this form. Thank you.